Hi there, students. To chase someone up, or to chase something up. Okay, this is a very British phrasal verb. I'm not sure the Americans know this one. Let's see. This is to pressurize somebody to do something that they should have done, something that they promised to do. So, for example, when you're trying to get people to pay you to pay their bills, you probably have to chase up the unpaid bills, chase them up. Yeah, ring them and say, when are you going to pay this? Yeah, or send them a dunning letter to Dun, D-U-N. Okay, if you deal with builders, the builder always says, I'll promise I will do it on Monday. I will be there on Monday morning. And when he's not there on Monday morning, you have to chase him up. Yeah? Or maybe the builder says, I'm sorry, I've been chasing up some other clients who haven't paid me. Okay, so to pressurize somebody to do something that they've done, to try to hurry up the situation, there's the up. Yeah, to contact somebody to get something done, particularly something that's already been promised. Yeah, to follow up, to ensure that somebody does what they say they're going to do. Could you chase him up about that reference that he said he's going to send us? Because he hasn't sent it to us yet. You know, in life, or at least in my life, people are always saying, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it this week, don't worry, I'll do it in the next couple of days. And then they don't do anything. Yeah, so then you've got to chase them up. And that's the idea of chase somebody up. Yeah, is to hassle somebody, to pressurize somebody, to push somebody in order to do what they promised to do, but haven't actually done yet. Yeah, to find out what action people are taking. I took my car to the garage, and he said it would be ready tomorrow, this evening, but he hasn't. But I've heard nothing for them, so I'm going to have to chase them up. Or we need to chase up all of the members of the club who haven't paid their dues. Okay, so to chase up, or maybe yeah, a library, it lends out books, and then it needs to chase up the ones that are overdue. Yeah, to pursue something, to hassle it, to find out what is happening. Yeah, why hasn't my delivery arrived on time? Yeah, I want to chase it up. Yeah, I want to chase up the delivery company. Yeah, you ring them up, you inquire into something, you find out about it, you find out what's happening. Yeah, so you chase it up, you chase something up. So yeah, they promised to do it today, but they haven't. So tomorrow I will chase them up. I think that's what I need to do, because otherwise they'll just continue not doing it. I think probably the most common thing that you need to chase up is payment for a bill, for bills. Yeah, people try to leave their bills as late as possible until you chase them up. And normally when you chase them up, they pay you, because if they don't, then you've probably got a problem. Notice as well, this is a British phrasal verb. I think probably you might find the Australians and New Zealanders use it as well, but not the Americans and not the Canadians. Okay, so formality, to chase something up. I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, in a semi-formal conversation, in a semi-formal writing, probably not, maybe just. And I think as to origin, this up, I think, has got the idea of to speed up, to go faster, to be more rapid. So to chase it up, yeah? Because if you just chase something, you run after it. The dog chased the rabbit, yeah? I chased the bus, yeah? But to chase something up, to try and get it to go faster. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To chase something up.